Welcome in the Tube family. Checking RAM compatibility. Ensure RAM compatibility with your system by following these steps. 1. Identify your system's specifications. Check motherboard specifications, model and manufacturer. Know your motherboard model. Supported RAM types. Find the type of RAM supported: DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Maximum capacity. Check the max RAM capacity. Supported speeds. Look for supported RAM speeds, for example, 2133 MHz, 3200 MHz. Form factor. Confirm if your motherboard uses DIMM desktop or SO-DIMM laptop. Channel configuration. Note the number of RAM slots and configuration: single, dual channel, etc. Check CPU specifications, model and manufacturer. Know your CPU model. Memory support. Check the type and speed of RAM supported by the CPU. 2. Consult the motherboard manual. Manual or website. Refer to the manual or manufacturer's website. QVL qualified vendor list. Check the QVL for tested and confirmed RAM modules. 3. Use online compatibility tools. Crucial System Scanner. Scans your computer and suggests compatible RAM. PAR Picker. Enter your motherboard and CPU model to find compatible RAM options. Manufacturer's website. Check for compatibility lists and tools. 4. Check BIOS. UEFI updates. Update BIOS, UEFI. Ensure your motherboard has the latest updates for better compatibility. 5. Physical inspection. RAM slots. Check the number of available RAM slots. Installation configuration. Install RAM in the correct slots for optimal performance, for example, dual channel. 6. Consider future upgrades. Scalability. Ensure there are available slots and support for higher capacity if you plan to upgrade RAM later. CPU. Intel Core i7-9700K supports DDR for RAM up to 2666 MHz natively. Consult the manual and QVL. Check the ASUS manual or website for the QVL. Use online tools. Use Crucial System Scanner or PAR Picker. Check for BIOS, UEFI updates. Visit ASUS website for updates. Physical inspection. Confirm for DIMM slots available. Manufacturer websites. Official site for manuals and QVLs. By following these steps, you can ensure the RAM you purchase is compatible with your system. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest videos, tips, and exciting news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to us and helps our community grow.